Welcome to my Rise to the Challenge horizontal basketball template. Let's take a quick look into this and show you what it can do. With the instant download, there's a full tutorial that will give you all the ins and outs, show you how to insert your subject, and go into depth about modifying this to fit your team. You can fit a small team or a large team into this template. There are all kinds of posing options, and it's very simple to insert your subjects. For example, let's insert a couple here. I'm going to shut off a couple of these layers with the sample subjects, and then I'm going to have some extracted subjects. I grab these layers, drag and drop them into the template, and start placing them. Easily position them where you think fits. And it can be as simple and easy as that. You can modify any of the colors of this template. So for example, the background color option. The bleachers, and of course any of the text. I can even modify the text on the bleachers. There's a motto here. I can use that, not use it, change it. I can also insert a schedule. All these elements are movable, scalable, sizable. You can adjust and fit anything you want into the scene. And it can be as simple and easy as that to modify the template.